The night sky over the Aegean is a canvas of impenetrable black, stretching endlessly above the restless waters below, a silent witness to the unfolding drama of modern warfare. It is a void where even the stars seem to hold their breath, as if nature itself is anticipating something extraordinary, something that will change the rules of the game. Deep within a fortified command center, radar screens glow with anticipation. Operators, trained to spot the faintest blip, scan the airspace, confident in their multi-billion-pound air defense network, a shield they believe to be impenetrable. Yet above them, something unseen slices through the darkness, a phantom presence, a whisper on the wind, moving with purpose and precision. This is the ANKA III, Turkey's new unmanned combat aerial vehicle. It marks not just a technological leap, but a profound shift in the very nature of aerial warfare, where machines now outwit the most advanced defenses. Its tailless flying wing design is a marvel of engineering, optimized for invisibility. Every curve and surface is meticulously crafted to slip through enemy defenses, allowing it to operate in the most contested and dangerous airspaces on Earth. As it glides through simulated hostile territory, its internal bays conceal a formidable arsenal, precision-guided munitions, ready for pinpoint strikes at a moment's notice, all while remaining undetected. The operators on the ground remain oblivious, their screens blank, their systems undisturbed, unaware that the balance of power is shifting above their heads. The ANKA III is a bold declaration that the future of air power will not be defined by traditional giants alone, but by those who master the art of stealth and autonomy. Artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and low observability are fused into a single potent platform, creating a new breed of war machine that can think, adapt, and strike with unprecedented efficiency. Every angle and surface is engineered to scatter radar waves, making it a needle in a digital haystack, nearly impossible to track, let alone intercept. The world has been put on notice. A new player has joined the high-stakes game of aerial stealth technology, and the era of invisible warfare has truly begun. The story of the ANKA III is one of deliberate, strategic evolution, a journey marked by vision, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, the ANKA III was born from a clear directive: build a domestically produced stealth UCAV that would give Turkey a decisive, asymmetric advantage on the modern battlefield. This vision was not just about creating another drone, but about establishing a new standard for indigenous aerospace capability. TAI engineers drew deeply from operational experience with the ANKA and Aksungur drone families, channeling hard-won lessons from real-world combat and field deployments into every aspect of the ANKA III's design. Each challenge faced in earlier models became a stepping stone towards something greater. Advanced AI-supported modeling and simulation tools played a pivotal role, accelerating development and drastically shortening the timeline from initial concept to working prototype. This digital-first approach enabled rapid iteration and refinement, ensuring the ANKA III would be ready for the demands of tomorrow. The result is a platform that stands as a testament to Turkish engineering prowess, a complete reimagining of what an unmanned combat aircraft can be, blending cutting-edge stealth, autonomy, and adaptability in a single formidable package. Overcoming the aerodynamic challenges of a flying wing configuration required deep expertise and innovative thinking, placing Turkey among an elite group of nations capable of mastering such advanced designs. The ANKA III is more than just hardware. It's a symbol of a new era for Turkey as a creator and exporter of advanced technology, signaling its arrival on the world stage as a leader in next-generation unmanned systems. At the heart of the ANKA III's capabilities is its radical, tailless flying wing design. This configuration isn't just visually striking, it's a deliberate choice that maximizes aerodynamic efficiency while minimizing the aircraft's visibility to enemy sensors. By eliminating the tail and integrating all control surfaces into a single seamless wing, the ANKA III achieves a unique blend of agility and stealth. This smooth, blended body is engineered to deflect and scatter radar waves, drastically reducing its radar cross-section. Every curve and contour is meticulously shaped to confuse and redirect incoming radar signals, making the drone exceptionally difficult to track or target. Advanced composite materials absorb radar energy, while the engine is buried within the fuselage, masked from radar and infrared sensors. This internal placement not only reduces the drone's heat signature, but also shields critical components from detection and enemy fire. Even the surface is coated with radar-absorbent paint, ensuring it can operate undetected deep within contested airspace. This specialized coating further enhances its survivability, allowing the ANKA III to slip past even the most advanced enemy radars. Internal weapons bays conceal its entire payload, maintaining stealth until the moment of attack. By keeping all armaments hidden within the fuselage, the drone avoids the radar spikes that external weapons would create, preserving its low observability throughout the mission. These bays accommodate a range of munitions, from precision-guided bombs to the Talon miniature cruise missile. This flexibility allows the ANKA III to adapt to a variety of mission profiles, from surgical strikes to deep penetration attacks. The ability to evade modern air defense systems means the ANKA III can undertake missions too dangerous for conventional aircraft. Its stealth features allow it to slip through heavily defended airspace, gathering intelligence or striking targets with minimal risk of interception. It can destroy high-value targets, command centers, radar installations, and critical infrastructure, crippling the enemy's ability to coordinate and respond. Missile batteries are also within its reach, allowing the ANKA III to dismantle enemy air defenses in the opening hours of conflict and clear the skies for follow-on forces. The ANKA III paves the way for friendly aircraft to operate with greater freedom and reduced risk, shaping the battle space and ensuring air superiority from the very first strike. The ANKA III became reality in December 2023, when its prototype lifted off for a historic maiden flight. The flight was fully autonomous, showcasing advanced flight control systems and platform stability. Achieving 8,000 feet and 150 knots, it performed pre-planned maneuvers flawlessly, confirming mastery of the tailless flying wing design. This was the start of a rigorous test campaign, with 2 prototypes expanding the performance envelope. Trials verify specs: 7-ton max takeoff weight, 40,000-foot ceiling, 10-hour endurance, and speeds up to Mach 0.7. Successful live-fire tests with TBER-82 and Talon missiles have solidified the ANKA III's role as a credible deep-strike platform. The ANKA III is engineered to be a powerful hunter, carrying up to 200 kilograms of advanced munitions within its internal bays. It deploys precision-guided bombs and the Talon miniature cruise missile, enabling standoff strikes from outside enemy defenses. Multiple Talons allow it to engage several targets in a single sortie, maximizing efficiency and lethality. In a groundbreaking test, the ANKA III launched a jet-powered Super Shimshek drone from its internal bay at 10,000 feet. The Super Shimshek acts as a decoy, jammer, or kinetic weapon, opening new tactical possibilities. This air-to-air launch transforms the ANKA III into the conductor of an unmanned aerial symphony, multiplying its effectiveness. By deploying decoys that mimic manned aircraft, it forces adversaries to reveal positions and waste missiles, enhancing survivability. The Super Shimshek integration is the first step in Turkey's autonomous wingman concept. The ANKA III acts as a loyal wingman, flying ahead of manned fighters to undertake the most dangerous tasks. It gathers intelligence, identifies enemy air defenses, and deploys decoys to trigger and map enemy radar. Once defenses are revealed, the ANKA III can strike directly or relay coordinates to manned fighters. The Super Shimshek, with a 700-kilometer range, can jam enemy radar or perform kamikaze strikes. This multi-layered approach creates complex problems for adversaries, shifting the paradigm of air combat tactics. The loyal wingman concept outsources high-risk missions to autonomous platforms, preserving pilots and expensive aircraft. By clearing a path with decoys and strikes, Turkey gains a sustainable, enduring tactical advantage. The ANKA III's arrival is a geopolitical event, redrawing the military map of the Middle East and Eastern Mediterranean. Its ability to nullify expensive air defense networks makes Turkey a formidable air power, challenging regional balances. In the Aegean, it could alter the power dynamic with Greece, enabling surveillance and strikes with unprecedented impunity. In Syria and Iraq, it allows deep strikes without risking pilots, shifting operations further into the air domain. Exported to allies, the ANKA III could shift regional power dynamics, challenging traditional military dominance. It reduces dependence on manned jets, offering a cost-effective means of projecting power and strategic autonomy. The drone is more than a weapon, it's a symbol of Turkey's independent, assertive foreign policy. The ANKA III crowns Turkey's transformation from arms importer to global drone superpower. Decades of dependency spurred a national effort for indigenous defense, now realized in the world-famous Bayraktar TB2 and ANKA III. Turkish drones are exported to nearly 40 countries, generating revenue and international influence. The ANKA III demonstrates mastery of next-generation stealth technology, competing with top Western manufacturers. Its rapid development, driven by AI and operational feedback, highlights Turkey's agile, innovative industrial base. The successful ANKA III and Super Şimşek pairing cements Turkey's reputation as a top-tier drone power. The ANKA III is a strategic asset, reshaping regional power and cementing Turkey's status as a leader in defense technology. The ghost in the machine has arrived, and its impact will be felt worldwide for years to come.